Unionized staff of the Ghana Broadcasting Corporation, GBC, are threatening intensified industrial action over what they describe as worsening working conditions and alleged financial mismanagement. All the workers are demanding that the Director General steps aside to allow for an independent forensic audit. ChannelOne News' Rachel Engman has more on this report.
Tensions are mounting at the Ghana Broadcasting Corporation as unionized staff increase pressure on management over allegations of financial mismanagement and the victimization of employees. Speaking to ChannelOne News, Divisional Union Chairman Samnat Kevo said many workers are dissatisfied but fear speaking publicly because of what he describes as the weaponization of transfers and the stoppage of salaries. He says the union is demanding that the Director General step aside to allow for an independent forensic audit into the affairs of the corporation.
This GBC as an organization is becoming ungovernable. It's very volatile. And for that matter, for the immediate step, the appointed authority just ask him to proceed on leave, as we demanded, so that the forensic audit will come. Because by the standard practice, you cannot be doing a forensic or a special audit where the persons of interest is still in our post, at the same time interfering, victimizing people, not to come up with some of the issues that they can be saying. So in fact, the immediate step is for him, for the appointed authority, to ask him to proceed on leave. We will continue this and we upgrade it to various ways. We are workers, we know our rights, we know our industrial rights, and this is one of it, and we will continue unabated.
The chairman of the Senior Management Staff Union, Ebenezer Ojawo, has also appealed to the sector minister and the National Media Commission to intervene. He warns that the situation within the broadcaster could escalate if the concerns raised by staff are not addressed.
Just imagine workers living under this condition from 2023. We are now in March 2026. Raising the same issues, and we are told, oh, you wait, you hear from us. So we are waiting for the Media Commission, but we want to assure them that whilst we are waiting for them, we'll keep the Workers' Front active to let them know that we are running out of patience. And that is what culminated in what we did this afternoon. We are drawing the attention of the National Media Commission and our sector minister to know that all is not well in GBC and that the situation is volatile. So the earlier they act on our concerns, the better it will be for all of us.
Standing united, the union insisted to sustain its protest until concerns are addressed and accountability is ensured within the corporation. Reporting for ChannelOne News, I am Rachel Engman.